Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 1996 Jeep Wrangler Sport, stock reference number 4937. This shape runs from the 10th month 1996 through to the 2nd month 2007. It has a 4 litre inline 6-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel-drive transmission. Inline 6-cylinder 4 litre petrol engine. We have the radiated grille, right hand headlight, left hand headlight, left corner lamp, left guard appears to have no damage. Pair of factory side steps with all bolts and brackets. Left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left manual door mirror. Left door has 4 small dents. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left hand tail light. Rear bumper with spare wheel carrier. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Spare wheel, 15-inch steel, ball tyre. Right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right hand side step sold as a pair with all bolts and brackets, right door soft top type, 1 large dent, right manual door mirror, driver's side door trim. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, interior mirror, left hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.